Presented by Cursed by the Witch. Warning, use headphones before listening to horror podcast story.
The Widow's Hex is a deeply unsettling tale of vengeance, dark magic, and the twisted power of grief. Set in the desolate, fog-covered village of Hollowbrook, the story follows the legend of the widow Margaret Blackwood, a woman who turned to the occult after the tragic death of her husband. Her grief, pain, and anger led her to cast a powerful hex over the village, one that would bring death and suffering to anyone who crossed her path. Generations later, a young woman named Emily stumbles upon the history of the widow's curse and unknowingly awakens a dark force that has been lying dormant for centuries. Part 1. The Legend of Margaret Blackwood. The story begins with the tragic tale of Margaret Blackwood, a woman whose love for her husband, Thomas, was legendary in the village of Hollowbrook. Their life together was one of happiness and prosperity, but it was cut short when Thomas was killed in a mysterious accident while working in the nearby forest. Margaret was inconsolable, her grief consuming her entirely. She retreated from society, isolating herself in their once beautiful home on the outskirts of the village, which soon fell into decay along with her spirit. As months turned into years, rumors began to circulate that Margaret had turned to the occult in her desperation to bring Thomas back. Villagers reported strange lights emanating from her home, shadows moving in the night, and the unsettling feeling of being watched whenever they passed by. But the most chilling reports came from those who dared to visit her. Margaret had changed. Her once kind eyes were now filled with malice, and her face twisted into a permanent scowl of rage and despair. In her grief, Margaret had become obsessed with the dark arts, specifically with a hex that could bring back her beloved. But the magic was dangerous, and in her desperation, she summoned something far worse than she could control. When her spell failed to resurrect Thomas, Margaret turned her fury toward the village, blaming them for not helping her. She cast a powerful hex upon Hollowbrook, vowing that no one would escape the curse of the widow. Part 2. The Widow's Curse takes hold. Margaret's curse unleashed a series of horrific events on Hollowbrook. Crops withered, livestock died, and people began to fall ill with no apparent cause. The village, once prosperous, was now marked by death and decay. But the worst of it came at night, when the fog rolled in from the forest. Villagers claimed to see Margaret's ghost wandering the streets, her face twisted in a grotesque grin, as she whispered the names of her next victims. Those who heard her voice would not live to see the morning. Her hex wasn't just a physical curse but one that preyed on the minds of those in the village. People began to go mad, driven to paranoia by the thought of Margaret's vengeful spirit watching them. Children disappeared without a trace, and the bodies of those who had wronged her in life were found in gruesome conditions, often with their eyes wide open, as if they had seen something so terrifying it had frozen them in their final moments. The village, once full of life, was reduced to a shadow of its former self. People fled, but those who remained were never able to escape the widow's hex. Her presence lingered long after her death, and Hollowbrook became a cursed place, abandoned and forgotten by the outside world. Part 3. The Arrival of Emily. Years passed, and the legend of the widow's hex faded into the shadows of history. Hollowbrook became a ghost town, its decaying buildings and overgrown streets a testament to the horrors that once plagued it. But the curse was never lifted, only lying dormant, waiting for someone to awaken it. Emily, a young historian with a fascination for the paranormal, arrives in Hollowbrook to research the legend of Margaret Blackwood. She's heard whispers of the village's dark past and is eager to uncover the truth. Armed with her camera, notebooks, and a passion for uncovering hidden histories, Emily sets up camp in the old Blackwood house, now a crumbling ruin. The air is thick with the stench of rot and decay, and the oppressive atmosphere weighs heavily on her. But Emily is determined to uncover the secrets of the widow's hex. As she digs through old records, diaries, and letters left behind by the villagers, Emily begins to piece together the horrifying events that led to Hollowbrook's downfall. She learns of Margaret's descent into madness, her obsession with the dark arts, and the terrible price the village paid for her grief. But the more she uncovers, the more she feels like something is watching her. Strange occurrences begin almost immediately. At night, Emily hears footsteps echoing through the house, even though she is alone. Shadows move in the corners of her vision, and the fog that once surrounded the village begins to creep closer to her camp. As the nights grow longer, Emily starts hearing whispers, faint at first, but growing louder with each passing day. It's Margaret, calling her name, beckoning her to the heart of the curse. Part 4. The Hex Awakens. Emily's curiosity leads her to an old, forgotten diary hidden beneath the floorboards of Margaret's bedroom. In it, she finds the widow's final writings, an account of the ritual she performed to bring back her husband and the dark force she accidentally unleashed. Emily realizes too late that by reading these words, she has reawakened the hex that had been dormant for so long. The air grows colder, and the fog thickens, enveloping the village completely. The once silent whispers now surround her, growing louder and more menacing. Margaret's ghost appears before her, her twisted, rotting face frozen in a mask of rage. Emily tries to flee, but the curse has already taken hold. The hex latches onto her, pulling her deeper into the nightmare that was once Hollowbrook. In a series of terrifying encounters, Emily is haunted by visions of the villagers who were consumed by the curse. They appear to her as twisted, broken figures, their faces gaunt and their eyes filled with terror. She sees Margaret's spirit, no longer human but a creature of pure malice, feeding on the fear and suffering of those trapped within the curse. Part 5. The Escape from Hollowbrook. Desperate to escape, Emily searches for a way to break the curse, but every lead leads to a dead end. The hex is too powerful, too deeply rooted in the pain and suffering of Margaret Blackwood. As the nights grow darker and the voices louder, Emily realizes that the only way to survive is to leave Hollowbrook before the hex fully consumes her. But the village won't let her go. The fog, now alive with Margaret's malevolent spirit, surrounds Emily at every turn, her once safe paths now twisted into a labyrinth of nightmares. The closer she gets to the edge of the village, the more intense the haunting becomes. She is chased by the ghostly figures of the cursed villagers, their mouths open in silent screams, their eyes wide with eternal suffering. In the final, terrifying moments, Emily comes face to face with Margaret Blackwood, the widow's spectral form towering over her, eyes burning with centuries of hatred. Margaret offers her a deal: stay in Hollowbrook, and the suffering will end. Leave, and the hex will follow her, consuming everyone she loves. Emily, broken and terrified, refuses to give in. She knows that the hex will never end if she stays, and so, in a last act of defiance, she destroys the diary, the source of Margaret's power. The village shakes as the curse unravels, but Margaret's spirit is not easily defeated. In a final act of vengeance, the widow reaches out, cursing Emily with her dying breath. Part 6. The Aftermath. Emily escapes Hollowbrook, but the curse is far from over. As she drives away from the village, the fog follows her, a reminder that the widow's hex can never truly be broken. Margaret's spirit may have been banished, but the darkness that consumed her still lingers, waiting for another soul to stumble into its grasp. The story ends with Emily staring into her rearview mirror, seeing Margaret's twisted face reflected back at her, a reminder that the hex is eternal. The curse of Hollowbrook has left its mark, and no one who enters the widow's world can ever truly leave. The widow's hex is a tale of overwhelming grief, dark magic, and the terrifying consequences of invoking forces beyond human control. It explores the destructive power of loss and the lengths one will go to in order to reclaim what has been taken, even at the cost of their humanity. The curse lives on, a malevolent force that will never die, feeding on the pain of those foolish enough to cross its path.
Thank you for watching. Just like and subscribe.